guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm actually super excited. I'm going to create this kind of I'm gonna create a fake bruise. So it's from one of my makeup assignments. So I've never done this before, and I'm really excited. I've done it. I think I've done it so many times, and I finally got it perfect. So if you want to see how I create a fake bruise, then keep on watching. I did it again. I can't believe it. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!